Let's put our living stereo stylus in this groove.
This is a great milestone for us as we move forward into the New York market, put our feet down with a brand new design centre here, the New York Design Centre. This is a space which is helping people to actually understand what's happening, the transformation that's happening in workspace now.
So tonight is our first public event with the showroom. So we've invited our clients, we've invited a lot of the media, we've invited a lot of potential clients.
My name is Amelia Falco and I'm an architect and I led the design of the Spacestor project. When we started to think about the brand and where Spacestor was currently and where Spacestor wanted to be in the future, it was really important for us to do a deep dive in tandem to really understand all of the inner workings of the brand, everything that you guys put forth into the thinking about the products and how you guys want to use the space as a toolkit for you. It was a sweetheart project because it's fun from beginning to end, and it's also really lovely to see it visualized exactly how it was visualized in the beginning.
Tonight we're really working to connect professionals from the design and architecture industry, bring them all together, get them to see some of the innovative ways that we've used our product.
I think for a company who makes workplace products, it has a very residential feel, like a really soft feel from the colors to the material palettes.
The lighting is very work with the coloring and the wood in combination with the green. I love it. I love it. You don't walk in a lot of workplace and you see a lot of greens going on, which is very rare. I love it.
We were really glad to actually have a few minutes earlier just to speak to the team and those that came in here to tell a bit of the story about how we worked with Gensler to create this amazing space, because we wanted to showcase the whole journey that Spacestor's been on.
Gensler is set up in an interesting way where they really group together specialties, and I think for this project we really brought together a holistic team. Approaching the project from all different angles is really what helped us kind of put together such a different type of space. It's just not a type of space that anyone, I think, would say that's a showroom. You really sort of are welcomed in. It feels like a space you are welcome to come and stay, work, and engage.
We design physical spaces, but we really design them just to elevate the experience that happens inside them. And so to create a space where, I see people kind of lingering at a bar, I see some people sitting in a pod, I see some people sitting on a bench, and in the atrium, means that space is really successful, and the event itself was really successful.
The vibe is very upbeat. Everyone is very pleasant. I love the atmosphere.
We've tried to reflect Spacestor's vibe, which is very much chilled out, friendly, people being able to be themselves and to connect with other people.
I met some amazing designers here tonight and spent some time with Charles, talking about how he founded the company and how much it's evolved over the past couple of decades.
So Charles Kingston's the founder of the business. He founded the business in 1976, so he's been involved in office furniture for over 40 years now. And he was only saying to me earlier tonight that this is another great stepping stone in that journey. So this is certainly not the end of a journey, it's really the beginning of a new part of the journey as far as Spacestor is concerned.
New York has a special buzz and a vibe, and some of the best things are happening here. Some of the biggest companies are going through the biggest transformations. We're really proud to be part of that. Really what we're creating is spaces that are destinations, they're experiences, they're spaces that people want to be, and the spaces that attract and retain the best talent.